All right, we're back. We got our plants for the year. Let's see if I can get this thing set up here so we can get a little. We'll go through the highlights. I'm gonna do a little broccoli vegetable. Let's see if I can get that in there. Broccoli vegetable, check. I don't know why I bought these, but I did, just because sometimes I have problems with my cucumbers. I did buy a 4-pack of cucumbers. Those are the Market More, but I went ahead and got the 3 plants, 3 plants, 3 plants, 3 plants, so that's a pretty good deal. Next, Jade Cross Brussels sprouts. Just went ahead and got 8 of those, because why not? Next, we're gonna do the lemon boy. Kind of small, but picked the best ones I could. Some La Romas, because I like La Romas. There's 3 plants in that one, 2 in that one, 2 in that one, and just 1 in that one. So got a bunch in there. Next, we got Better Boys, just 4 of those. Let me go here. Oh, nice, the tag fell out. So, full mystery, don't know what that is. Jesus, how'd that happen? Well, it's a tomato plant. I'll set that aside because I find the tag. Hopefully it's in the car. Beef Masters. I'm trying to think. Those might be my... These are, so I know I bought cherry tomatoes. So these are probably my cherry tomatoes, if I had to guess. I'm pretty sure they are, because I don't see cherry tomatoes in here anymore. Early Girls. It's not a bad tomato. 4 of those. Next, peppers. Love my jalapenos, so we got plenty of jalapenos. Look at the height on that one. Woo, big boy. Another jalapeno. Couldn't find these. They're sitting on the floor. I'm looking through, they have racks and racks. Next, we got a California Wonder. Looks pretty good. Got the banana peppers, because those grow really well. What do we got here? Got flowers in that one. Some Lady Bell red pepper. They didn't have any orange peppers this year. Kind of bumming me out. So whatever. Can't believe that tag fell out. But I know it's a cherry tomato because I bought cherry tomatoes. All right, I'll move this stuff out of the way a little bit here. On to the next of the garden reveals. Big 84 grams of melting sugars. Then for fun, just sugar snaps. Value pack, 113 grams. So I'm not gonna plant all of them, obviously, but I like to have extras just in case. And then just grabbed some quick squash and zucchinis because I feel like I was getting low, and I don't know. I always forget. I mean, my seed thing, I will go through some of my seeds here. Some Leek Seeds from, well, it's from a few years back, but there's actually seeds from leeks I grew in there. I got some beans. I believe that's okra. There's some cattle beans. These are for like cooking. They're all heirloom. All this is heirloom. Don't know what that is. Unlabeled. More beans. That is dill, I believe. This is for my grandmother. I'm not sure what it is. There's some more of my grandma's stuff. Yellow pepper seeds. More beans. There's some more leek seeds. Kale. I had kale that survived a winter because kale takes 2 years to seed. Kale there. Different variety of kale there. Here's some barley from a friend of mine who worked at a barley plant. I grew that. I don't know what that's. Lettuce seeds, I think. Texas basil. Some of this is old. Oh, this is kind of cool. So this is a guy I know that passed away. I got these from him. I should plant these. His name was Brian McCormick. He died in the, we call call it an accident, an industrial accident. But yeah, I got these out of his garden. So those are Brian's onions. That's crazy. Huh, forgot I had those. It's nice to remember people that aren't around anymore through stuff like seeds, share seeds. I try to share seeds with people. I don't know that many people that garden, to be honest with you. Some of my grandma's seeds, I can think about her. Anyways, here's the treasure chest. It's gold because it's full of gold. Let's check this out. Make a full video of it. Boom! Look at that. Bam. That's the old, that's metal. This was my grandma's seed, my grandma's seed vault. This is where I just keep piles and piles of packaged seeds. All sorts of stuff. It's all heirloom. Herbs, dill. Got some flowers in here. Oop, poppies. Oop, that's for flowers only, kids. What do we got here? Got some beans. All sorts of stuff in there. That's the shit hit the fan. Oh, of course. I have some snapdragons just in case. What else we got in here? We got all sorts of shit. Look at all these. Catnip. Why not? Let's save some catnip seeds. Catnip grows wild on my property, but you never know. Might have a bad year not having any catnip. Look at cattle beans. Those are all heirloom. Some of this is old. I know seed viability, blah, blah, blah. Yeah, you don't have to explain that to me, but got news for you. Ooh, sugar pods. I don't remember I had those left over. Huh. Don't think those were... Here's some crazy stuff. Some squash that I got from my grandmother. Hold on to those. We got some of that barley. More beans. There's some peas that I grew that's supposed to be heirloom. There's some beets. Gross. All sorts of stuff in here. Oop, got seeds falling out. That's not good. My beet seeds. My beet seeds just spilt. One reason I know they're beet seeds because beet seeds are crazy looking. Look at these little crazy things. They remind me of grape nuts. Get those back in there. Terrible tragedy. It's the first time anyone's ever spilt their seeds, I'm sure. But these are like the original. Originally, I bought these yellow bush beans back in 12, and that's the. I don't have them out here, but they're black seeds. They're yellow beans. But I think I've hybridized them because I don't know if they grow yellow anymore. It's kind of funny. Tastes good. But man, I can't do this on camera. Got some more stuff in here. Evergreen, spinach. You just never know when you're going to need some seeds, kids. Don't even know what that is. That is an absolute mystery. Got that probably from my grandmother. Plant it and find out. But yeah, that's how I do my gardening. Dig through the old garden pile, seed bed, plant some seeds. I mean, I am kind of lazy. Like, I mean, this is kind of pathetic of me to buy cucumbers, but I've had seasons where like I planted seeds and like the weather just didn't agree with the germination of the cucumber seeds. I think last year was, no, 2 years ago it was. Just couldn't get them to go. And I'm pretty sure these running like sub $1.60 a 4-pack. I'm pretty sure. So for $1.60, guaranteed cucumbers, that's, you know, that's like basically one cucumber, I guess. I don't know what cucumbers cost. I don't buy cucumbers, so whatever. So, yeah, if you're getting into gardening, you need to have yourself just an absolute batshit crazy pile of seeds in a tub that you can always find. And I'll be honest with you, it took me about 10 minutes to find this seed vault because I don't leave my seeds just laying out. So if you plan on coming and borrowing seeds from me, good luck, because I can't even find my seeds because I hide them just in case. Man, I can't believe I spilled. Well, actually, I can believe it, but I can't believe that I'm filming myself pick up beet seeds because beets are gross. But all the older seeds, I just plant extras when I do it because I know seeds aren't going to germinate 100%. Well, you always want fresh, right? Fresh. But my philosophy is if something were to happen and maybe, I don't know, maybe the sun wasn't quite cooking like it usually does and it gets a little colder than normal and we got a bad season, It's from like a volcano. Like, I mean, volcanoes happen. You'd be happy to have some old seeds laying around. Grow them inside or something, but whatever. I don't think it's gonna happen. You'll be fine. You'll be fine. This is my garden this year so far. I'll go buy some more stuff later, but that's just today's haul. All right, stay safe.